Hi guys, welcome to our Walker Weekly video. We were not able to hold an assembly today in the gym because we need some things fixed. So we wanted to celebrate our outstanding students through our video. So welcome to our Walker Weekly. Here are some activities that we had going on this week and some pictures of you guys having some fun. our Golden Trophy Awards. Okay, Ms. Ring's class, we are going to announce who got the golden soccer ball. Who can tell me, why do we get the golden soccer ball? What's the golden soccer ball for? Does anybody remember? What do you think? Vincent? Being kind at recess. That's how we get the golden soccer ball. Okay, we're kind at recess. We follow expectations. We play with the equipment the right way. We line up really good. That's how we get the golden soccer ball. So do you guys want to know who got it this time?
What?
Can you give me a drum roll? Drum roll, please. First grade! They said you guys have been doing so good at recess, and we are so proud of you. Other grades, you better get it together, because first grade's getting that golden soccer ball. Okay, Miss Lopez's class, we are going to award the golden apple. Who can tell me, what do we get the golden apple for? How do we earn that? Yes, Samantha.
By being good.
By being good where? Where do we be good?
At lunch.
At lunch in the cafeteria, right? Yes, sweetheart. Why else?
And when we clean up our messes.
Yep, when we clean up our messes. Who can give me one more thing? Yeah.
You gotta eat, so we can talk a little.
Yep, we have inside voices. We're not talking too much. We're talking a little, and we make sure and listen when it's time to quiet down and throw our stuff away. Excellent answers. Okay, do you guys want to know who gets the golden apple this week?
Yes.
Yeah? Can you give me a drum roll, please? Third grade! You guys did it! Good job! Okay, Miss W's class, we are going to give out our Golden Paw Award. Who can tell me what our Golden Paw, how do we earn that? Oscar.
Being respectful in specials.
Being respectful in specials. Edward, you have something to add?
Yes. Being safe.
Being safe. Go ahead, sweetheart. What do you have to add?
Having responsibility at specials and anywhere else.
Good. Being responsible, doing what we're supposed to. Excellent answers. Do you guys want to know who earned the golden paw for this week?
Yeah.
Okay, drum roll, please. This week it goes to third grade. Good job, third grade. And something else that's special about this is third grade has now already won the golden paw, the golden apple, and the golden ball so far this year. You are the first grade to have earned all three. So good job, third grade.
Hey guys, we're starting a new program called our Lucky Ducks. Each teacher is going to pick one student to be their lucky duck for 2 weeks. That lucky duck is going to help us outside at recess and in the lunchroom. After the 2 weeks is over, that lucky duck is going to get a fun lucky duck and a treat. So work hard, be responsible, because you want to be chosen to be our lucky duck.
Okay, we are going to hear about our outstanding students, and I'm going to read those off here in a minute. But our focus for these last 2 weeks was keeping Kaifuti and being respectful of people's bubbles. And so these students have done a really good job of that these last 2 weeks, and we are really proud of their example of keeping Kaifuti and staying out of people's bubbles and respecting their bubbles. Good job, guys. Okay, our students who got outstandings and who got to draw to spin the wheel this week was Liliana from Miss W's class, Ariana from Miss Johnson's class, Gadiel from Miss S's class, Ahmad from Miss Lopez's class, Angel from Miss Bench's class, Emma from Miss Hernandez's class, Iqbal from Mr. Pritchard's class, Nyota from Miss Jensen's class, Diego from Miss Lookinland's class, Hamdi from Miss Olson's class, Kylie from Miss Marshall's, Yoslin from Miss Russell's, Sweetson from Miss Grimm, Christopher from Miss Gift, Riri from Miss Loberg, Eugene from Miss Kemp, Ara from Miss Tuifua, and Modasir from Miss Siemens' class. We are really proud of all of you guys for keeping Kaifuti these last 2 weeks and being a good example of that. Good job.
Okay, I am going to teach you a new cheer. This is really simple. You are watching me and listening. Your hands are down. Watch what I do. This cheer is called Raise the Roof. This is how we do it. Raise the roof. Ooh, ooh. Really simple. 2 pumps. Ooh, ooh, with each pump, okay? So let's try it. Raise the roof. All right, one more time. Raise the roof. Fantastic.
Okay, for those of you who are wanting to earn an outstanding for our next assembly, our focus for the next 2 weeks is lining up quickly and appropriately. So when we are in line, we are walking single file, our mouths are closed, we are quiet, our arms are folded, we are not touching anybody in line, and we are respecting people's bubbles. And we walk quickly when we are in line. Miss Lopez's class did a great job of this when they were leaving library today, and we have a video to show you what that looks like. Thanks, Miss Lopez's class. All right, we are going to end by doing our Walker Wolf cheer for all of our outstanding students and our grades that got the golden trophies. So everybody with me, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ow! Have a great weekend, Walker Wolves.